Microwave. Brand, Sharp. Model R363P. The microwave oven is a machine to heat objects containing water. By using microwave. Laboratory microwaves are used for heating and melting. For example, we use the microwave to melt solid media for microbes. Components. 1. Time display. 2. Defrost program buttons. 3. Number pad for setting the time. 4. Power level setting button. 5. Clock setting button. 6. Stop or clear button. 7. Instant cook or start button. 8. Auto touch control panel. 9. Door open button. 10. Turntable. 11. Roller tray. Operation. Plug in the microwave oven. If using a container with a screw cap, loosen the container's cap first. Push the button to open the door and place the bottle containing media inside the microwave oven, then close the door. Press the stop or clear button to clear the previous setting. Set the time using the number pad, then press the instant cook or start button. When finished, the microwave oven alarm will sound. Push the button to open the door. Wear the heat-resistant glove before carefully taking out the bottle. Unplug the microwave oven and push the button to open the door. Take the turntable out. Then clean the inside of the oven with a soft and damp cloth. Wash the turntable when finished. Caution. 1. Heat-resistant containers made of glass, ceramic or porcelain are allowed to use. Do not use non-heat resistant containers. 2. Do not use metals or aluminum foils. Using the microwave oven to heat these may cause a fire. 3. During heating, be careful not to spill, overflow, or burn of samples. If this happens, clean spills thoroughly after use. 4. Do not fasten bottle caps tightly. As the pressure increases with heat, the bottles may explode. 5. Reheating food and drinks for human consumption in the laboratory microwave oven is strictly prohibited. Maintenance. 1. Write complete details in the logbook after use. 2. The microwave oven must be cleaned up after use.